for Unit 1, Day 6 notes for Example 3, we're going to construct a perpendicular bisector. So we want a segment that goes through the midpoint of AB. Okay? The best way to do that is I would start with B, and I want to have my pencil end between halfway and to A. So I find like that's probably a pretty good space. But I don't want to be less than that, because then I wouldn't be able to find the midpoint. Okay? I have to be at least past the midpoint. So I'm going to use this and make a pretty big arc, about a semicircle. Okay? And then I'm going to pick this pointy end up without changing the dimension. I'm going to go back over to A, and I'm going to make another arc about the same size. Okay? Now, these 2 points right here represent our X and our Y. And I'm going to connect them with a line. And the reason I chose to use a line instead of a segment is because in the directions it said line XY, so that line XY is the perpendicular bisector of segment AB. So that's why I went ahead and put the arrows on the end. And that's it. This creates a right angle because they're perpendicular. It goes through the midpoint. If you look, and they look like they're the exact same distance apart.